Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be counting to 20 using a 20 frame.
And I'm here, Allie.
Before we start, please put your name at the top of your paper. Now, there's something that we need to remember about 20 frames. If this first top box is all filled in, we don't have to count every dot in that box because
we just have to count by fives because there's one right there. So we have to count by fives.
And we can even count by tens because we know this whole box already has 10 in it. So if we were to count this, we would say 10, 15, and now we're going to count by ones. 16, 17, 18. So how
that's
many?
18.
Good. Now, Allie, show us how to do the next one.
So we already know that this thing is 10. So 10, oh no, this is 11. So there's one.
Okay, help us with the next one.
So we already know that there's 10 in there. So we just have to count by one. Well, 10, 15, and then we just have to say 15, 16 right here. And now there's only 16. That 6 is a little, there we go.
Good. Okay, boys and girls, this next one is pretty hard because it has all of the first 10 frame and a row and almost everything on the second one. So if both of them are all the way full, it's 20, but since there's one missing, we have to count backwards by 1.
So we have to do 20, 19. So there's a 19 in there.
19 in there. Okay, we're going to give you just a minute to think for yourself and see if you can figure out how many are in the next one. So
then I'm going to help.
We're going to wait for just a second and give you time to think.
Pause the video if you need to think.
Okay, did you see how many? How many are there, Allie?
So there is almost 10 in this one. So there's 5, 6, 7. So 7, there's only 7 because there's none on this row. So scribble that out if you want to, or exit.
Okay, and then on the last one, we have 10, and then we're going to count by ones. 11, 12, 13. Perfect. Now, look at the bottom of the paper, and you decide, was this easy, just right, or hard?
I think it was easy, but you can say just right or hard, whatever you think. Thank you, boys and girls, and also, you can write a star, whatever makes you feel good, or a smiley face, or even a girl smiley face. Thank you, boys and girls.